How to make money with ads on your blog. Display ads and make money. One way to make money with your blog is by placing ads on the blog. In order to make money with ads, you need to have a blog with valuable content and a high amount of traffic. You also have to join advertising networks in order to get paid. Cons of having ads on your blog. By having ads, you are sending away your valuable readers from your blog. Most visitors are blind to ads but may be bothered, especially if they are reading your blog with a mobile phone. I know I am. Sometimes ads cover so much that I just leave, especially when I'm using a phone or tablet. When you are just starting out, it is not recommended at all to place ads in your blog straight away. On the other hand, maybe you want to train your readers to ads from the very beginning. It is up to you. If you don't have a product yet, or you are offering a lot of freebies, without asking to opt in every time, then ads are a good choice to make some money. Type of ads. There are different types of ads. Cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM ads that are shown to people and you make money even if they don't click them. The reason why a high volume of visitors is required is that you get paid per 1,000 impressions. What's the point of these ads? Honestly, I didn't get it for a long time, but the point is to get seen. Even if the person didn't click and go to the website, buy a product or service. He or she has seen this ad, and when the time comes, he or she will remember the brand or the message and will probably Google search it and then buy a product or service. Cost per click, CPC ads that must be clicked by visitors and then you make money. Cost per action, CTA ads that have action requirements such as signing up or making a purchase. When your visitor completes this action, you will get paid. Affiliate ads. Affiliate ads are ads you can place on your website. You have to join an affiliate network/affiliate program of product or service you use, and get affiliate link and banner. Place banner anywhere on your website, voila! You can also rotate your ads with WordPress ad plugins if you want to show different ads from different sources. Your own ads. You can place your own ads and promote your own items such as freebies or products and services. When using ads is okay. Magazine and lifestyle blogs. If you have a magazine or lifestyle blog, place ads because these readers expect to see advertising and are also more likely willing to spend money. Craft and freebie blog. Blogs that don't have products or offer freebies may get a lot of traffic. Visitors get a lot of value by downloading freebies and blogger gets paid. When people have the intention to buy. Another time when using ads is okay is when people are looking to buy things. Let's say you have a niche website, and because ads are targeted, your visitor will see whatever he or she is looking to buy anyway. In the past and still, people are making money with very targeted niche sites, which means that they are trying to build sites with more valuable keywords. Valuable keywords are keywords that are more expensive for advertisers because competition is tough. For example, email marketing keywords are pricey. You may want to blog about the topic and place ads on your site that will target people who are interested in email marketing, but not to sell things on a topic or use paid advertising. There is competition among advertisers. They will need to outbid each other, and that raises the price because they want to show their ads and sell their products. Placing your ads. If you decide to place ads on your blog, you can start by applying to the Google AdSense program. Placing ads is easy. You just edit your ad to fit your website, copy the HTML and add it to your pages, sidebar and footer and so on, or you can install a plugin that rotates ads for you so you don't need to do this manually. Advertising networks. There may have some requirements such as sessions or page views per month. Google AdSense. Mediavine. Media. AdThrive. FOMO. A small list of AdRotator plugins. You need only one. Advanced ads. Easy Google AdSense. WP Quads, for importing quick AdSense settings. Easy AdSense Ads. Google AdSense Ads Manager. Ads for WP. AdRotate Banner Manager. Make sure that plugin is up to date and scan it with the virus total before installing it. Ads alone are not going to make you rich, and it is good to be aware of whether or not you could put some other methods into practice, like promoting affiliate products, selling your services or products. Keep in mind that for ads you need a high amount of traffic, when for affiliate offers and your own targeted products you need a small audience who are just crazy about your offers. Thank you so much for listening to this, and if you have something to add, please share it in this comment section below.